Hello friends and welcome to art. Last week we learned all about lines and we made our own line art using monkey string. This week we're going to do some drawing with two kinds of lines. We're going to do lines that we drew and lines that we made by folding the paper. Let's get started. Start by drawing a simple drawing on your paper. Don't forget to make it really big. I'm going to draw a cat. Then, when your drawing is done, you're going to fold your paper in half, and then in half again, and then in half again. When you unfold it, some of your drawing should be in each folded section. We folded it in half and then half again and then in half again. So we have 8 sections total. Now I'm going to get 8 different colors, and each part of my drawing is going to be a different color. Whenever I hit a fold, I'm going to change colors. Now go ahead and draw something of your own. You can draw anything you want. It can be an animal, it can be a car. Just make sure that it's big enough that when you fold your paper, some of it ends up in every section. I can't wait to see what you create. Happy creating!